Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from Central Illinois. It is the first day of soybean harvest, and there are 4 big Class 8 John Deere combines working in this field harvesting the crop. Leading the procession are 2 300-bushel Model 9870 STS combines rated at 440 horsepower. They're equipped with MacDon FD75S flex Draper heads. The Model 9870 STS was manufactured by John Deere in East Moline, Illinois from 2008 through 2011. Following just behind the 9870 STS combines are 2 400-bushel Model S680 machines rated at 473 horsepower, equipped with John Deere 735 FD Draper heads. The Model S680 was manufactured in East Moline by John Deere from 2012 through 2017. As these 4 combines work side by side, they are taking off a swath of 140 feet of soybeans per pass. To keep the combines harvesting on the go, there are 2 articulated 4-wheel drive tractors working with 1,250 bushel BALZER grain carts. The first tractor is a 550 engine horsepower Case IH Steiger QUADTRAC 550. It was manufactured by C&H Industrial in Fargo, North Dakota from 2011 through 2013. The second tractor is a 420 engine horsepower John Deere 9420R. This was manufactured by John Deere in Waterloo, Iowa from 2015 through 2021. Now that you know a little bit about this harvesting equipment, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear all the harvesting action. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the central Illinois soybean field during the harvest with these big Class 8 John Deere S680 and 9870 STS combines. Does your farm raise soybeans? I'd like to hear about it in the comment section below this video. Tell me about your combine, your tractor, and grain cart. If you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional harvesting content from this channel, watch the video to the end screen for a few more seconds for direct links to those Big Tractor Power YouTube videos. As always, thank you for watching.